Dodge Challenger Hellcat. This customer purchased this vehicle with some previous dent repair. It looks like somebody purchased the Ding King glue puller or pops a dent from Walmart, tried to pull it out themselves, left several high spots, never really fixed the dent. But this is what it looks like after it's been repaired by a professional. Nice and clean. This customer is more than happy with that. There's also another one up by the windshield that really you could see more dramatically what happens when you try and use those glue pullers and you don't know what you're doing with it. You'll pull the metal up high, you won't really get the dent out, and this is just another reason why you need to find a certified paintless dent repair technician that knows what they're doing, how to move the metal around correctly and lay it all back. We've saved this customer thousands of dollars, and he's more than happy with the repair. Thanks for joining.